I'm a Japanese living in Tokyo who love Japan and Asian food culture. On my YouTube channel, you can enjoy watching Japanese and Asian healthy recipes, including sushi and Japanese cooking technique and seasonal rare ingredients and tools and stuff. So please subscribe my channel. So today I'm going to show you healthy soba salad for a hot day in summer. Like today in Tokyo, it's gonna be my lunch. You might be surprised that Japanese people eat soba in really simple way, like boil it and dip it in dashi stock-based soy sauce with wasabi and green onion. Or if you'd like to have hot soba, we just boil it and dump in same kind of stock. There's a reason why we do that. It's because we love to enjoy this subtle, earthy flavor of soba noodles and umami of the dashi stock itself. Dashi is a perfect combination, but today I'm going to show you a kind of salad type of soba dish. Yes, it's not traditional, but why not? That's good. So, let's get started. So the ingredients are 100 grams of soba noodles. I'm going to make for one person, so you can double or triple it. And some veggies. Daikon radish and mizuna. You know mizuna? It's also called Japanese mustard or spider mustard or something like that. It has thin stem with serrated leaf. I love the texture and the bitterness of this vegetables. It's really good. It's good for salad. And some lettuce. You can use any kind of leafy greens like kales or romaines or some shishito peppers. It might be hard for you to get in your country. In Spain, it's really popular veggies, right? It looks spicy, but it's not spicy for the most of the time. But sometimes you win a lottery. Yes. I'm going to fry it, so you can substitute with, like eggplant or like zucchini or bell peppers, which go well with frying in the oil. And a green onion for the garnish. And seasoning. I already mixed it. It has 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. But I put chili oil for half because I love heat. And that's it. And I'm going to add white sesame oil, but I'm going to toast first and grind them and add it to it. Okay, so let's start cooking. I'm going to toast sesame seed, like low heat. It takes less than 1 minute. Smells good. Right. And grind up it. Nice. And put this in dressing. Yum. Yep. That's it. Okay, and then I'm going to prep vegetables. First, the daikon radish. And a slice. And mizuna leaves. Kind of wilty, but no one will know. That's it. And the lettuce. I'm going to pour water and soak in the water for a few minutes and drain it. Green onion for garnish, and chop the green onion, garnish, and the shishito peppers. Make a hole to prevent exploding, right? Okay, and I don't need the stems. Right, water for soba is boiling, so I'm going to put it. And the instructions said it takes 5 minutes, so I follow it. So while I boil soba, I'm going to fry shishito. I said fry it, but I don't need too much oil. Okay, it's like this. Okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The color got really bright, right? It takes about 1 minute. I think it's alright. Right. Okay, then I soaked this for a few minutes, so I'm going to drain them. Nice and crunchy. 1 minute, 1 minute. I'm going to drain soba noodles. Wash and now running cold water. This is the key. If you don't wash thoroughly, it gets really soggy. Okay, drain. Let's mix soba and salad. Gonna be tasty. I made too much veggies, so I just use half. But it's still a lot. It's good for a healthy meal. Pour this dressing. I got more salad actually. And tossing. Oh, how's that? So good. I'm gonna put this. Toss a bit. Okay, so like this. It's my shishito. Hey, where's shishito? I can see most of the soba noodles. It's almost like daikon salad. I want to see soba. I have to take a picture for thumbnails. Right? Beautiful. Okay, and I'm put this green onions, a lot. Ta-da! Soba noodles. Okay, so let's give it a taste. It's really good. This has everything I want. Umami from the soy sauce and sesame oil, and the crunchiness and the refreshment from the fresh veggies, and good heat from the shishito and chili oil. Yum, so good. I hope you can try this. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. I'm going to make this kind of videos a lot, so please subscribe my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.